Humans are innately peaceful.
How are we doing, everyone? We are back with another Go Mining video, but this one is specifically on the GoMining Academy. Some people have probably heard about it. They might not know exactly what it is, but like most places that have Academy in the name, it is a place to where you can learn stuff, get a little bit of knowledge. They have some courses, product guides, crypto basics, discover new things about what's going on, usually within crypto itself and on the actual Go Mining platform. As you can see, they got these new updates, the Launchpad, Go Box, VIP program, avatars, all the new stuff. The yada yada yadas. They also have a little course here, nice 8 lessons for Bitcoin and mining. It explains how it works, uncover the basics of mining. It's literally in the description and the title. They have the 3 tabs at the top, technically 4, but the 4th one just brings you right back to Go Mining. If I click on that, it just brings me back to my personal account. So I'm going to close that. First one I'm going to click on is the courses. I already discussed this, but I'm just going to click on it. There are 8 lessons to do, 2 tasks. As you can see, I've already done all of it. I got my nice little certification. Taking a while to load in, but it does not matter. It's literally just an NFT image of this. If you actually are new to like mining Bitcoin and just crypto in general, I actually would watch these. Useful information. The next thing I'm going to move on to is the articles here. At the moment, they currently have 47 different articles. You can filter between Bitcoin, crypto basics, product guides, finance. I like this sector. And then mining in general. They are continuously adding new articles and new information all the time. So probably once a week, once a month, whenever you want. Come visit here, look at the new articles, learn something. It doesn't hurt, it always helps. And then the last tab is going to be certifications or certificates. I guess they're going to be coming out with more. I currently have 1 out of 1 certificates because this is the only one available. If I want, I can download it, but there is no need for that because it doesn't matter. So yes, this is the Go Mining Academy where you can learn some basics, do some courses, some product guides. Pretty simple. See you soon.
Kill 'em with success, kill 'em with success, no revenge. You gotta kill 'em with success.